Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you replace a word in multiple word files at once. Before we start the video, I'm going to discuss why do you need this and what are the things that you can replace. So it might happen that you might be working in n number of word files and you would need to replace a certain value. That could be anything, that could be name of the village or name of the proponent or any numerical value of site area or mineable area or anything for that sort. That is, you have to change in multiple word files. One way is to individually go to each file, then look for replace function, and then replace it individually for each file. In this video, I will show you how can you do it for all of those files in a combined manner without any much wasting your time. So let's start. So here you can see that I have almost 18 files, 18 word files. What you should notice in your system as well, that you should have the latest version of MS Office software. If not, then you should have the format of the file should be the same. If you are using MS Office 2007 or Word 2003, something like that, then the file format should be same for all of them. The code that I'm going to give you is gonna work for this particular latest version, and hopefully that will work for others as well. But for now, the code is going to be working only for the latest version of the software. And you can find this code down in the description. Just download the notepad file and copy the code. Okay, control all and just copy the code, and you can close this up. Now you can open any of these files. Let us say that I open file number 1, and now this is the file, and these are the names of all of my colleagues that I am working with. And let's say that I have to change this name, the name in number 5, that is Akash sir. Okay, and this name is same for all the files. See, in file number 8, if I open, then you see file number 8 here, and the name is same, Akash sir. Okay, and if I open file number 15, then the name is same. Okay, let's see, I have to replace this word with my name, let's say Shubham. Okay, then what I can do, that open your word file or any file for that sort of matter that you wanted to name to be changed. So to change it, press Alt plus F11. Then this sort of Microsoft Visual Basic for application would open, and then you go to module and right click on it, and then insert, and then insert a module, and the code that you have copied, just paste the code and save it. So every time when you run it, then you don't have to individually copy the code again and again. And then to run it, press F5. Okay, when you press F5, then it would ask you to select all the documents that you wanted to change the name in. So let's say my document is on desktop, is on test, and I have to change the name at number 5. If you remember, at number 5 we had to change Akash to Aman to Shubham. Then select all these documents and press OK, and then it is asking you to find what. Okay, so we have to change Akash. Okay, press OK, and then it is asking you to replace with what. So we have to replace it with Shubham, and then we press OK. Then it would run automatically, as you can see. for all of these files. And now it is saying that it has made zero replacement, but let's see how it performs. Operation ends, but let's see how it performs. Okay, let us open any of the file. Yeah, you see the name has been changed since, because my cursor was here, so the code started looking from here. So it did not find anything to Akash, but then it started to ask that should I look from the first point. Then it find Akash and it made replacement into the all the files. You can see. See, it is replaced. Let us do it one more time. Let us say that we have to change we have to change this name, Pinky Mam's name, to another name. Okay, so we can again press Alt plus F11. Then the code will open, and since you have saved the module, you do not need to worry. Just press F5, and then you have to select the files that you have to change the things in. So select all the files, and then find what we have to find this name, pinky. Okay, and press OK, and you have to select you have to give it that, replace it with what. So let us say we have to replace it with Namrata. Okay, so let's do OK, and then it will go to all these files and change it at once. Now it is saying that we have made zero replacement. Why? Because it started looking from downwards. Okay, you have to do you want to continue the searching? You have to press yes, because then it will look for the very first point, or either you can start with the very first line of whatever you are trying to change, and then when then we can see that in all these files this has been changed. So it is a very handy piece of code that you can use when you have multiple files and you have to change let us say the name of a village, or any numerical value, or site area, or anything for that matter. You can change it by using this piece of code, and you can make your work faster. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my other videos. Bye bye.